Hi guys, how una dey? You see here today, I'm having headache oh. Kata is worrying me oh. I still say, hey, let me do this thing oh. Because you guys will miss me if I didn't upload a video today. So guys, thank you all for your support. I really appreciate every one of us. Thank you all. Continue supporting, sharing, comment and like. I know one day you may be the lucky person. So let's go there. Let's just do today's tutorial. Very simple. Very simple. I'm using this scarf. You can see my hair. Even if it's not hair, I put something. So you can see that it's still lovely. You have to make it equal. Try to make it equal. Alright. Let's go. So guys, you can see that I'm bringing out simple head wrap that we can do what, that we can quickly get, that we can quickly understand. So this is what we are going to do here. We're going to turn it. We're going to do what? We're going to turn it. We're going to turn it. So guys, are you with me? So let's go. So make sure you let it tight. So you take this one like this, then bring it here. You see this one where we need to do what? To close it. So you bring it here. So this remaining one here, we're going to do what? To twist it. We are going to twist it together. You see this hand, we are going to suck it. We're going to do what? We're going to suck it. We're going to suck it. So we now do what? Take it like this. Are you here? Not like this. So if you wish to put it here, you can put it and turn, but we are going to put it here like this. You see this one? So here we go. We bring it and then what? Do what? Suck it inside. Going to suck it. We're going to suck it inside. So here we go. If this place is not going in, you can use pin to do that. But I don't feel like using pin. So guy, how did you see it? Don't mind me, I'm having kata. How did you see it? Let me turn for you guys to see it. Let me just turn for you to see the back. Look at the back. So guys, we still have another, we still want to change another style. So guys, the next one. Guys, how did you see it now? You see that your unused scarf that you just kept at home? That is, scarf is not good, Charlie. What am I going? How am I going to wrap it? It's still useful. It's still useful. Yeah. So let's try another style. Let's try another style. Hope you see this one. Do you love it? So let's do next. Okay, guys. The next time. So like this, like how we move it. How we move it before. So turn it like this, then bring it to the front like this. When you reach here, you have to fold it like this, then fold the other one too. Fold it. So what we are using here is we are using rubber band. We are using rubber band to band it together. So guys, are you with me? Are you with me? So guys, you see this one, we take it here, we put it inside. We're going to soak it. Make sure you soak it very well. So then the other one, this one, we're going to do what? Soak it as well. You're going to soak it. You're going to soak it as well. So you will now back to the little roll that we want to form. Now this is it here. This is it. So we bring this one out little, then we bring this one too out little, just little. All right guys, I think we are getting something. So that is how we're going to bring that place out. So guys, out of all the three styles, which one do you love? So for me to believe say you really watch the video, so just do it and send your picture of the one you practice to the comment section. So guys, let's just try to put this little bow. Let's just try to put that little. So my beautiful people, what did you see? See now, see what we get. So at this point, which one of the style do you love? Let's be sincere at the comment section. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Please guys, help me to share. Help me to share. Ẹ bá ń share rẹ̀ o. Ẹ bá ń share o. Ẹ bá ń share. Ẹ bá ń share o. I'm begging you guys, please help me to share. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye. See you in my next section. Bye.